and Assalamualaikum to the fellow viewers. Today, I'm going to talk about how do we communicate with smartphone with the help of EM wave. Here are my group members. There are 5 of them. Okay, first of all, we need to know what is telephone. Telephone is a system for transmitting voices over a distance using a wire or radio by converting acoustic vibration to electrical signals. Okay, who invented telephones? His name is Alexander Graham Bell, and he's born in 3rd March in 1847 and died at the age of 75, and he's known for the invention of the telephone. Okay, here's some evolution of telephones. We can see from the less modern to more modernized version. And here we can see that from the mobile phone to the smartphone. Even though telephone is being called differently for the last few years due to its evolution, its size and functions, but all can be considered a telephone due to its main function for communications. Okay, telephone is used for communication and had a limited range due to connection through wire, while the mobile phone also have the same function, but it used the radio wave, and the range is much bigger, while nowadays the smartphone use the internet, and the range is we can say that is borderless.
Hello, my name is Faika Masara binti Hussein Kusari. Did you know that mobile phone communicating by transmitting radio wave? Then radio wave is electromagnetic wave. So let's discuss about electromagnetic wave.
Electromagnetic wave or EM wave are waves that are created as a result of the vibration between an electric field and a magnetic field. In other words, EM waves are composed of oscillating magnetic and electric field. What an interesting property here is that, unlike mechanical wave, electromagnetic waves do not need a medium to travel. All electromagnetic waves travel through a vacuum at the same speed, 3 times exponent 8 ms power of -1. Okay, propagation of electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves are formed when an electric field comes in contact with a magnetic field. They are hence known as the electromagnetic wave. The electric field and magnetic field of an electromagnetic wave are perpendicular at right angle to each other. They are also perpendicular to the direction of the EM wave. Electromagnetic wave through all spectrum. Wavelength of the electromagnetic wave, which is through the radio, microwave, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma ray, will decrease, while the frequency will increase because wavelength is inversely proportional to the frequency.
Hello, my name is Nurina Afika. In the next slide, I'm going to talk about what is 5G and the impact that will be explained in terms of speed. So, let's go! Definition of 5G. 5G is that the most recent iteration of cellular technology, engineered to greatly increase the speed and responsiveness of wireless networks. Overall, 5G is predicted to come out with a range of latest applications, uses, and business cases because the technology is unrolled. The impact in terms of speed for 4G and 5G, where, for your information, in theory, 5G is probably going to succeed in speeds that are 20 times faster than 4G. 4G features a peak speed of 1 gig per second, while 5G could theoretically achieve speed of 20 gig per second.
Hello guys, my name is Abdullah Dewa Mahfud. So I'm going to explain to you guys about the difference of non-ionizing and ionizing radiation. So let's go.
Hello and welcome back. So in this part, the difference of ionizing and non-ionizing radiation, I'm going to explain what is the definition of radiation, and we will classify which EM wave in the spectrum are ionizing and non-ionizing. So firstly, what is radiation? According to the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission, Radiation is the release of energy in the form of moving waves or streams of particles. And then, what really happens? So, in the atoms, we have nucleus, we have proton and neutron inside the nucleus, and we have electron. So, what happens is that we have things we call as radioisotope, which is it means unstable atoms. So, what happens is the radioactive atoms they want to become more stable, and to do this, they have to release energy so that they become stable back. So, this process known as radioactive decay. And what about types of electromagnetic radiation? Which one is ionizing and which one are non? So after the visible light, these ultraviolet X-rays and gamma rays are ionizing, which is they are very very dangerous to human.
Hi, in this part we are going to discuss about the differences of ionizing and non-ionizing radiation and also the effects on human body. So without further ado, let's move on into the video. The differences between ionizing and non-ionizing radiation. What is ionizing radiation? A type of high-energy radiation that has enough energy to remove an electron from an atom or molecule, causing it to become ionized. What is non-ionizing radiation? A type of low-energy radiation that does not have enough energy to remove an electron from an atom or molecule. The different type of ionizing and non-ionizing radiation. For ionizing radiation, there are 5 types, which are UV, X-rays, gamma rays, alpha particles, and beta particles. For non-ionizing radiation, we have visible light, infrared radiation, microwaves, and radio waves. In terms of emission, ionizing radiation can emit electrons or other particles from atoms when they collide. For non-ionizing radiation, it cannot emit particles from an atom. Now, we're gonna look about the effects on human body. For ionizing radiation, you will get skin redness, hair loss, radiation burns, or acute radiation syndrome. In long-term effects, such as cancer. While for non-ionizing radiation, it can make damage DNA, damage to cellular component, including DNA, and also damage to cellular process leading to cancer. That's all from us. Thank you.